Good morning all, welcome to Monday. Today I'm going to be removing the heaters from out of the back. Hopefully all will go well. It shouldn't take too long either. So this is what I'm going to do, I'll show you. I've got one hot water heater, two heaters, and the third heater's hanging down there. Also going to try and remove all the pipe for the heaters. This is the pipe that we're going to disconnect just here, and we're going to reconnect it here to this pipe. I'm going to undo this lead first just here and hopefully drain it into the bucket because it's got coolant. Hopefully it won't drain too much, but I might have to buy some to top it back up. The clips holding the pipes were being stubborn, so it made it a little bit harder to get them off. I eventually just resorted to cutting the pipe and draining it. Also had to use a different pipe as the one that I wanted to use would not easily go back onto the pipe. So this is the pipe that I cut off and using for the bypass, and had no issues putting it all back on, and the clips went on fine. Okay, so we've got it joined on now. There wasn't too much liquid come out, probably I don't know about a litre or so into the bucket, but I've used that rubber pipe. I've used a longer one and it just wraps around and hooks back in there. I'm going to put one of the clamps back in just so there's no kink in it. Just hopefully it should have no problems with leaking. I'll check that. I'll turn the bus on. From there I went ahead and started cutting off the pipe that I could get to with no problems to get the heaters out. There was 3, so cut them all out. Also, as I was going along to take out the pipes, I found that some of the pipes actually had some aluminium inside the tubing, so I had to use the reciprocating saw and just cut it off, and then I was able to pull them out of the mountings that were holding them. And once I got them all out, the rest was pretty easy. Alrighty, that's Monday done. Not a pretty productive day today. I'll show you what I've done today. Heater system's out. And all the piping for the heating. Is all out with the bypass done.